Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO F23 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why in the search we'll enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click yes I agree, click close and tap to OK. And now we could see information about the battery temperature. In my case that's 34 and 5 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.